2 wasn't 0. Was it? Okay. Sorry, I have to take this. All right, the next point. Hello? Okay. What's the next point? 7 pi over 2 what? Huh? There?
Yes.
So can we draw that? Did you?
Yes.
So does it do this? And what should it do here at the very end? There? On the test, I expect you to graph 1 period. If you graph more than that, I'm going to take off.
Do you want us to give you guys the same mark, or is it okay to do?
You don't have to give me every single part. As long as you tell me enough. Like here, if this is pi, I know this is pi over 2. Right? Now, I don't just want this one. I want something to tell me where it is. All right? We good with this? Let's do another one. Want to? A harder one?
Oh, yes.
Probably should, shouldn't we? Okay. Y equals negative secant x plus pi minus 1. Okay. What is my amplitude? No.
0.
No.
2 pi over.
Secant, cosecant, tangent, cotangent do not have an amplitude.
What?
They do not have an amplitude.
So what do you put?
None. An amplitude is how far the graph goes up. That one doesn't, because that one goes up forever.
Right. Right.
Right?
So there's a circle things.
What is the period?
2 pi.
Which trig functions have a different period?
Tangent.
Oh, that's
Tangent, cotangent. So we're good? Okay, what is the phase shift? Pi. What is the vertical shift? Okay? So put it in your calculator. What is your window? 0 to 2 pi?
Yeah.
What is your scale?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2? Right?
Still really understand how to just scale the face. So why wouldn't the face or the scale just be 2 pi by?
It is.
No, that's not going to get done. I understand now. Never mind.
and that's when you have to adjust it.
Okay.
All right, did it work?
Yes.
All right. The first thing we graph are asymptotes. Where is an asymptote? Pi over 2? Where's another one?
3 pi over 2.
Can you give me a point on the graph? 0 what? 0, 0? And what does it do from 0, 0? Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's down.
It should go down.
It's negative.
Yeah.
Wait, okay.
Did you put the negative in?
I put the negative in, it goes up.
I think I did something wrong. Is it because of the phase shift?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's why it's going up, because we shifted it. But I thought, I don't know. So at 0, 0, it goes up.
I need help. A lot of help. Wait, let's see if this will help then.
You didn't do a negative instead of a minus again, did you?
I do. Now it's different. I am so confused. Now it's right, but it wasn't right.
Your window's too small.
What do I put as my window?
0 to 2 pi. What's your window?
It was 0 to 2 pi. Pi over 2?
No, the minus 1 should not be in the bottom of the fraction.
Oh.
You all didn't put minus 1 in the bottom of the fraction, did you? Okay, can you give me a point at pi? Where is y?
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Which means it looks like this. Okay? And then this better be like this, hadn't it?
Yeah. Me.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Can you do this tomorrow?
Yes.
I do too.
If we say no, do we have to do this part?
No, you don't have to do it. You can just miss it.
Yeah.
Do you want to just miss it?
I need to really.
Yes, you do. How are you doing on this?
Good.
Several of you want a better grade to bring this grade up.
Yeah.
Okay, now the test says find the exact values. What does that mean? It means no decimals. It means they have to be in, yes, in terms of pi or whatever, right?
It's a small case that that's she's like
Okay. What is this? Do you know? What quadrant is it in?
2.
2? So it's over here. This is -1, this is 2. Right?
pi over 3.
What?
Pi over 3.
The reference is pi over 3. So the answer is 2 pi over 3.
Oh.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? What quadrant is this in?
1.
One.
It's pi over 6.
Pi over 6? Everybody okay with that?
So we're just trying to get back to, or see how far it is from 0, 0 then? Or from 0, I mean?
Yes?
See, I
Why
hope
wouldn't
we
it
have
be?
an open note quiz.
No?
How can it be pi over 3?
I think it would be. I think I trusted them.
Oh, shoot.
Sammy.
Hey. I don't know what I'm talking about.
I like pi over 3 better. Good job, Casey.
Yeah, good job, Harley. I was thinking that too.
I should have drawn my triangle.
Yeah, I did not draw a triangle. I was
Yes.
lying.
Draw a triangle. We all okay with this one now? What is this one?
Oh, this is one of the
One of the what?
axes.
This is an axis.
I never understand these.
You never understand.
Pi over 2.
Cosine is
Well,
Maybe.
x over r.
so x is 1,
X is 1.
r is 1,
Y is 0.
y is 0. Where is that? Right there?
Yeah.
0?
Oh, freaking.
Okay.
Okay. What is this? Sure. What is this? This one's easy.
It is?
Uh-huh.
It's undefined.
It's undefined.
Yeah. The hypotenuse can't be bigger than the hypotenuse was smaller.
Yeah, it's smaller.
That's what I meant.
The side can't be bigger than the hypotenuse. Yes.
I was like, I put it in my calculator. I was like, I was kind of confused. What are you doing?
Well, on one of the assignments from yesterday, though, like on 64, it was also.
But that's tangent.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you still.
That only applies to sine and cosine.
Oh. Why do we have tan? Just get rid of it. I think.
Yeah.
Tangent's pretty important. Pretty important.
Yeah. The shadow.
Okay.
Oh. I saw that happen.
Ouch.
-4.
That's 45.
45.
What quadrant is this in? 5? 2. Do you agree it's in quadrant 2?
Oh, yes.
So it's over here. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. What'd you decide that was?
3 radical 5.
3 radical 5.
So.
So what is the sine of that angle? 3 radical 5 over 7. Guys, show your work. Draw your triangles. That way if you mess up on the side, I know you're doing it right, and I can give you partial credit. Okay? Let's do one more of these. What quadrant is that in?
4.
4. Means it's down here. Right? What? What do I know?
Well, you know it's
X is 1, you know Y is negative pi over 3. Or not pi over 3.
Wait a minute.
Y is negative 1, X is right.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant.
Because you're selling me this, this is the same thing as this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So X is,
1.
wait,
Wait,
isn't tangent.
I was.
Opposite over
It
adjacent.
was.
So this is negative 1.
Tripping me up.
This is radical 3.
That's what I said.
Yes,
That's
but
what I was
they
thinking.
were trying to argue about it.
Oh shoot, I'm tripping myself up. That's my bad. That's my bad.
tripping you
Is that right?
Yes.
Whoa.
What is my hypotenuse?
2.
So what is the cosine?
Radical 3 over 2.
Are we good with that? All right.
So if that problem was asking for the arc cosine instead of just regular cosine, you'd answer with pi over 6, right?
It couldn't ask for arc of both of them.
It can't?
Huh?
Oh.
Why not?
Because this right here is negative pi over 6. So I have the cosine of negative pi over 6. I can't do a I can't do the inverse cosine of an angle.
Technically, if the pi over 6 isn't an angle, you could, but that's not what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right. On your calculators. Are we ready?
Yes.
On the test, it says find radians to 3 decimal places. You have to follow directions, correct? Okay.
Is it negative 1 and 5.5?
Okay. Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Do you all know that cosine negative 1, that I could have written it this way? It's the same thing? Okay. Now I want in degrees to the nearest 10.
In degrees.
it's gonna tell us on the test what is in the degrees.
Absolutely.
You like guess the right answer.
Well, now, I will tell you, when you do like what we did a while ago, where we do all the arc sines, arc cosines, that's always radians, unless it tells you degrees. Okay, what did you say this was, 48.6? Do you have to put a degree sign?
Yes.
Yes, you do. That's the test, guys.
Yes.
That's not too bad.
Can you do another graphing problem?
Yeah.
Because I'm not very good at the graphs.
I would love to.
All right. Can I do a hard one?
Yes.
Or can I go fill up my water real quick? Yeah, I really have to go to the bathroom.
Boy, you boys.
I know.
You're so needy.
I'm trying to stay hydrated.
Both of you, Katie, do you want to hear this or you want to go?
I want to hear this, but I can hear it from right there, so I'm good. I can hold it, I guess.
I don't know if you can or can't.
So, am I good to go then? Fill up my water?
Yes.
Oh.
What's the amplitude?
None.
None. None.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I keep thinking that.
So on any of like cosecant, secant, and cotangent, are there no amplitudes?
The only ones that have amplitudes are sine and cosine.
I keep thinking that amplitude is like, I mean, amplitude is how high or low it goes, and it always is
Yeah.
going like on with sine and cosine. It's always one for sure.
Okay. What's the period? Pi over 2.
Wait. What?
Tangent, cotangent is high.
Oh, yeah.
What is the phase shift?
Over 2.
Pi over 2. What's the vertical shift?
Up.
Up 2. So put it in your calculator.
Wait. How do you find the period on cotangent?
Pi over b. Oh.
I don't know. Whoa.
I don't know what it was doing. This is pi over 8.
I divided by 2 divided by 4 is pi over 8, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Do you agree with what I've marked?
Nothing is shown that.
Do you have it in?
Oh, you gotta put it in, you have to put it in radian mode?
Well, yes.
Oh, it's showing up. It's showing up.
Imagine that. Because my guess is you just graphed it from 0 to 6 degrees or 0 to 1.5 degrees. So, is that right for the scale?
Does this graph go like this?
It better.
Okay.
Where is an asymptote? The beginning and the end?
Yes. 0 and pi over 2.
So here's an asymptote. Here's an asymptote. No asymptotes, no grade. Give me a point.
Pi over 8 is 3.
Positive 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pi over 8 plus.
What pi over 4? What's pi over 4? Huh?
It's super? No?
I hope it's 2.
No, it's 2.
It's weird because it's cotangent. It's going to tell you that it's 0. That's because it's just a
Oh my gosh.
So is it right here? Should it be 2?
Yes.
Yes.
What's 3 pi over 8? 1?
1.
So does it look like this?
Yes.
How about that?